Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a crypto wallet on your iPhone. First, you'll need to select a reliable wallet application from the App Store. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open the app and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. This process typically involves generating a unique recovery phrase, which is crucial for accessing your funds if you ever lose your device. Make sure to write it down and store it in a very secure, private location. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. Every crypto wallet has a unique receiving address for each cryptocurrency. You can find this address within your wallet app, usually under a receive or deposit section. Copy this address and use it to transfer crypto from an exchange or another wallet. Some apps also allow you to purchase crypto directly using a debit card or bank transfer. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To send, select the cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's wallet address and specify the amount. Always double-check the address carefully, as transactions are irreversible. To receive, simply provide your public wallet address to the sender. They will then initiate the transfer, and the funds should appear in your wallet after network confirmation, which can take a few minutes. Security is paramount for your crypto wallet. Always enable biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID for an extra layer of protection. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, and keep it offline. Regularly back up your wallet's data if the app offers this feature, and ensure your iPhone's operating system is always updated to the latest version for the best security patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.